Hey guys, it's Marichu. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video I'm going to do another BTS album unboxing, but today it's going to be the Love Yourself tier, and the album's actually just arrived now, so I decided to film ASAP. So here are the albums. I bought all 4 versions, and also I got all 4 posters, which I'm going to show you guys in a bit. These 4 albums are YOUR. Okay, so I'm just gonna use my small knife, this one, to cut the packaging, this bubble wrap. I bought these albums through eBay from one of these Korean sellers, so if you guys are interested in buying these, I will put a link on the description box down below. So these are, which one is this? Y and O. Now I'm gonna open the other 2. Look what I got! Freebies! These are the R and U version. So before I open them, I'm just going to show you guys the posters. These are the 4 posters. I'm just gonna randomly pick one. Oh! The next one is and the last poster. Okay, so the first one that I'm gonna open is Y version. Y, this one. So you get the photo book, the note, this one, and also the CD. Maybe I should do this. You know what? Shall I just get the photo card before I continue? Okay, this is okay. This is the photo card that I got. I didn't look. I'm just gonna put on the side. Maybe I should do this. Oh, innocent guilty. Did it say something on Jungkook and Jin? Lost and control. Lost control. Ooh, what? I. Jimin got the I, I think. Yep. What am I? I might as well show you guys everything. I'm gonna from 2000. That's it, and these are just the lyrics. I'm just gonna have a look on the photographs I got. Okay, first this is the standee that comes with all 4 versions. This is the audition thingy. Okay. It's Jimin! Guys, this is Jimin. Hi! That's the back. Okay, so now moving on to the second version, which is O. Just gonna open this. Okay. This is O version. The note and the CD. Ooh, look at them. Are these all in black and white? Yeah. Oh, look at that lip piercing though. Girl! Look what I got! It's my face, Jungkook. Let me just put this on the side and continue with the photo book. June. Yep, that's it. So for the old version, I got Jungkook photo card. Guys, I'm sweating so much. What is this? It says Big Hit membership survey. I think I've seen their PD on Twitter, and I think I saw him do this membership thingy on their phone, so I might try and do that.
Thank you. Thank you.
Now on to U version. And city and the note. Oh, the standee is just. This just came out of. You guys! I got the special photo card. What's happening? Whoa! Whoa! They're back. Oh my god, this came out of nowhere and then boom. Special photo card. Okay. Oh. Oh, I dropped the photo card. I got sugar. Min. Okay, let me continue. Can you guys see that? Can you guys see? I feel like I'm flipping too quickly. So last but not the least, our version. Yes. The city and the note. Standee. Oh, Zenin. no, it's crying. Ooh, oh my god, it's sugar again. We got sugar for our version. And another membership survey. They're all crying. That's it. So yeah, that is all for the Love Yourself tier album unboxing. The whole album is just too precious, like they were all crying and stuff, and it's very emotional. That's why I kind of like feel connected to them somehow. So, and I'm also happy that I got Suga and Jimin, also Jungkook's photo card, and also yeah, the special photo card. I got the special photo card, which is insane. That is just once in a lifetime chance that you get one of those. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to comment down below anything that you want to ask me or anything that you want to say, and I always reply. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more BTS unboxing. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys soon. Bye!